Allergan is a specialty pharmaceutical company based in Dublin, Ireland. We have well over 10,000 employees worldwide. Our introduction to Druva came out of a divestiture that was taking place in which a large part of our company was being spun off, and I needed to retain the data for those users that were under legal hold. So in an effort to do that, we deployed the Druva Insync client on the workstations and began collecting the data out to the cloud for later recollection for illegal holds or discovery, things like that. With respect to legal holds, we're in the process of building out a refined process in this. So the way it's going to work is that legal would put a user on legal hold in Xtero, for example, and that then triggers a feed to Xtero or to Druva that would then put the legal hold on that user as well. My team, through the console, I'm able to control what data is being backed up and what profiles are applied to them. That's a big change. Before, it's very siloed. The legal's doing their part and they're notifying us about something, and then we've got people that go and do things, and et cetera, down the line. We're really pushing to streamline it and have it be someone's put on legal hold and everything kicks off from there. I'm looking at ways that we can use Druva in the future, and one of the areas that seems to be an obvious fit is in our mergers and acquisitions area. When we're acquiring companies or we're acquiring large amounts of users, I can deploy Druva in advance, or part of the M&A process is that we get the client out there and I start collecting data, so that day zero, I've already got a working data set that's been collected from those computers. And that's huge, because once we're part of the same company, your business becomes my business, and I need to be able to produce your documents from day one. With Druva, our data collection is less reactive and it's more proactive, because the data is already being collected. Right? If you're on legal hold and I've deployed the tool to you, your data is already being deployed into the cloud, and I don't have to go ask you or schedule time with you to get your computer it's already done, right? And the data is out there, and all I need to do is now just go get it. So the streamlining has been tremendous. I'm really big on relationship with the vendors that I work with. I like to think that we're shoulder to shoulder, working on whatever we're doing together, and that we're heading the same direction with the same intent, right? So one of the things I've noticed in working with Druva is whenever I've had something come up that I need to work with, there's no shortage of engineers and technical people who come alongside, and we sit down and try to figure out how we're going to do it.